Certainly, here are 5 beautiful places in the world, each with its unique charm and appeal. Santorini, Greece, famous for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings with blue domes, and breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Machu Picchu, Peru, an ancient Incan citadel perched high in the Andes, surrounded by lush green mountains and misty clouds. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, known for its overwater bungalows, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs. Venice, Italy, a romantic city of canals, historic architecture, and charming gondola rides. Great Barrier Reef, Australia, the world's largest coral reef system, teeming with colorful marine life and underwater wonders.